It's a pretty simple process. I know somehow it's too complicated to really understand how this works, but it's a simple overlay. See, that's a dash pad. It's garbage. It'll cost a whole lot, a bunch, a whole lot of money to fix. This is cheap, I understand. Pebble Beach will frown upon this, but would you rather have Pebble Beach frown on you or crap in your eyes while you're driving? So here we go. Yeah, it's blue. This is the astounding process. This side goes in. Yeah, the rubber's old. Oh my goodness. He has old rubber in his truck. I wouldn't do that. I'm sure you wouldn't. Yeah, that's right. That's old black, new blue. Oh my goodness. Horrible. Oh no, that's terrible. How could he sleep at night? Oh, how could he sleep at night? We're gonna go over here to the other side. Oh no, his tailgate's rusted. Oh no, his bumper has pitting on it. There's a dent. This little side right here. Obviously this video is not for everybody, because not everybody's a smart aleck. But some people need it because they're smart alecks. See how easy, clean, and unacceptable that is? That's just preposterous. I know this is just so far beneath what so many Ford people would want on their trucks. You can afford to drive a brand new truck, just go buy a brand new truck. Some of us are doing what we can do just to have what we have. And the unmitigated gall, if you don't know why people are buying less expensive stuff, it's because you can afford more expensive stuff. There's nothing wrong with that. But the problem is when you come on for your high horse and you tear the people down that are doing, this truck ought to be in a scrapyard with your kind of attitude. Matter of fact, if you've got a truck, chances are your truck should be in a scrapyard. But somebody somewhere along the way said, I can do something with that. I'm not trying to win no awards with this. I get in this truck and he's been dead for almost 20 years, but I ride with my grandpa, and now I ain't got to do it with crap in my eyes. So you can't figure out why somebody has paid so little for so less. I don't know if I should envy you or feel sorry for you.